Hang on. 300 quid for a set of drum mics?
For 300 quid?
I could buy a new snare drum. I could buy a new cymbal. I could go on holiday. I could buy a bit of a Bitcoin. I could put it all on red. Except I'm colourblind. Then I started thinking. Then I started thinking, your drumming is your signature. No two drummers are the same. No two performances are the same. So capturing a performance is like freezing a section of time so you can come back and hear it, feel it, have it. Maybe it's time for me to take recording myself really seriously. So I bit the bullet and I got myself an AKG session 1 drum session set, session mic, session drum, session mic, drum session mic. You know what? I was surprised. I genuinely was surprised at how good they were. Yeah, AKG, I know, they're industry standard. They've done the overheads, the match pair of overheads, the hi-hat mics, the 414. So yeah, I know they're good, but I went for the entry level, the affordable level mic set, and they're really good. They're really, really good. In fact, they're brilliant. Let me tell you some of the reasons I like these mics. First thing I like about these mics is plug and play. You can just plug them in. I didn't need to attenuate any type of sound. They just worked. I don't know why they just worked, but they just worked. They just worked. Secondly, with AKG's heritage, I mean, they really did play a part in inventing microphones, and especially for music. With their heritage and my limited knowledge of recording, I'm not an expert, but I know that you've got to get the overheads and the kick right. And the overhead and the kick, they're both great. Is this a secret weapon? A secret hack? No. It's just something that records you and in great quality. And it doesn't cost very much. This isn't about owning another piece of equipment, another gadget, another toy. It's about accessing exclusive membership to a club. It's a launch pad. It's a catalyst to creativity. It's not what you buy, it's what you unlock. It opens doors. Another feather in your cap. Another string to your bow. Skills pay the bills. This is not a product, it's a mindset. Oh, and you get a briefcase.